You're probably wondering how I got here. Well, let me tell you a little bit of backstory. This was in Mombasa, Kenya. It's a city full of life, man. It's full of colors. And I love the energy. Now, somewhere in the middle of all that, I realized something. Like, I miss playing chess. Like, I miss it so much. So, you know what? Just like anybody else, I look up on TikTok. I say, chess around Mombasa. Would even find nothing. So I went to Facebook and I searched around and I came across Mombasa Chess Club. I mean, I'm in Mombasa. I might as well look at Mombasa Chess Club. And I thought, you know what? Let me hit them up and see what they're about, you know? And funny enough, they replied. They said, yeah, you know, you can come through. We can play. And what do you think I did? I went there. I said, you know what? Let's play some chess. And I played it. And honestly, they were some of the nicest people I've met. Super friendly. You know, they had great energy, great players. They welcomed me right in. And I felt like I was home. But then, you know, it's a chess game, you know. We started playing our match. And much as we know, we like to think we're friends, chess is a battle. It's a challenge. You know, you coming for my, you know, you skilled and I think I'm better. You know, it's a challenge. And yeah, I was losing this game. Yeah, I hate to admit it. I didn't win this one. I did not. And I came confident. You know, I was too confident. I mean, when you get too confident, you get too cocky. And you know how it is. Huh? You always think you're good until someone else humbles you. And they humbled me, I tell you, in this game. So don't let my poker face fool you, though. You know, deep inside, I knew I was losing, you know, but I didn't want to admit it, you know. So we played, you know, but I still got to give it to my opponent. You know, he played tactical. He was clean and precise. He really outsmarted me on this one. I remember vividly because we played so many games after that. You know, some of them would draw, some of them I won. But this one, in particular, I lost. I'm mad enough to admit it. It's okay. We lose sometimes. So this opponent of mine, he's Kenyan, by the way. His chess is like Simplicious. He's nothing simple though. He's very good. And I'm calling him out. Yeah, I want a rematch, buddy. Yeah, either we gotta bring you to Canada or I gotta go to Mombasa again. So yeah, I played in Kenya and I realized how much I missed the game. You know, the focus, the silence, the strategy. It's like art. And now I'm bringing that same energy back to Canada. You know, you'll be seeing me again. You know, I'll be making chess moves, you know, chess videos. Probably in Calgary, Toronto. I'll be flying around just to, you know, tell you some chess stories. Probably tell you some backstories of my chess history, you know, how I used to play. You know, chess is not just about winning. You know, it's about the game, you know, it's